Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a headlight bulb on a Land Rover Discovery 3. First, gather your essential tools: a flathead screwdriver, a new H7 bulb for the main beam, or an H1 bulb for the high beam. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and the lights are switched off to prevent electrical issues. Park your Discovery 3 on a level surface and engage the parking brake for maximum safety before you begin any work. Now, let's access the headlight unit. You'll find two retaining clips positioned at the top of the headlight assembly. Take your flathead screwdriver and carefully rotate each of these clips by 90 degrees to release them. Once both clips are disengaged, gently pull the entire headlight unit straight forward. It should slide out smoothly, giving you full access to the bulb housing at the rear. With the headlight unit out, changing the bulb is straightforward. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb by gently pulling it off. Next, locate the metal retaining spring that holds the bulb in position. Unclip it to release the old bulb. Carefully remove the old bulb, then insert the new one, ensuring you do not touch the glass with your bare hands to avoid contamination and premature failure. To finish, secure the new bulb by re-engaging the metal retaining spring and reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Carefully slide the entire headlight unit back into its housing until it clicks securely into place. Finally, rotate the two retaining clips back by 90 degrees to their original locked position, ensuring the unit is firmly secured. Turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight bulb to confirm it is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.